KYC process with Shiprocket for COD orders. So, you're all set to start accepting COD orders, but you're stuck wondering, how do I get that cash into my bank account? Relax, we've got your back. Let's decode the KYC process with Shiprocket so you can start receiving those payments like a pro. Step 1. If you don't have a Shiprocket account yet, link it with SmartBiz. Simply go to Profile, Delivery Settings, Manage Courier for Delivery. Already set up? Great. Skip this step. Next, log into Shiprocket at app.shiprocket.in/login using OTP verification with your SmartBiz registered mobile number. Now, head over to the settings on the left panel, find the company card and click on KYC. Time to get official. Choose your business type, individual, sole proprietor or LLP/company and start the KYC process. Don't forget to strike your best selfie for photo identification. Upload your documents based on your business type. Want it quick? Opt for Express KYC and get verified in 30 minutes. Need more time? Manual KYC will take 2 to 3 business days. Once your KYC is verified, you'll see a confirmation message. Woohoo! You're one step closer to COD payments. Now let's get your bank account verified. Head over to the settings, COD payments, bank details in Shiprocket. Enter your bank details, beneficiary account number, name, account type and IFSC code. Double check everything matches your KYC documents. Shiprocket will verify with a token amount via penny drop. If automated verification fails, don't worry. Upload a check, passbook with a bank stamp or a bank statement to complete the process manually. Remember, COD payments take 7 to 10 days after delivery to hit your account. If you face issues, contact support in the SmartBiz app under Profile, Help, Contact Us. That's it folks, your COD journey with Shiprocket on SmartBiz website is now smooth sailing. For more tips and guides like this, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. Stay smart, stay ahead.